Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear students. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you're watching this video. We're still continuing with what we started earlier, a new unit for the same book, Global English 9, Unit 9. In this unit, we are going to tackle mathematical things, and the objectives behind this is to learn statistics and how to report facts. This is very important. Know the objectives and how you watch the video, so you are following up the lesson at utmost and you're getting the best results. The first lesson is entitled Facts and Figures. Facts and figures, as you know, from the page and from how it looks like, it talks about numbers. We need to think of that. What kind of school subject do we have to use numbers in to get the best results for facts and figures? Think of it. Yes, it is mathematics, and it can be done in the science subjects also. So you can do it in sciences, mathematics, and sometimes in social studies you can use facts and figures. Now the first part is reading, and we need to know what we are reading for. So the first thing is read the information in the chart and choose the correct option. So we need to read the two options to know what we're searching for. The chart below shows the relative number of people who A. attended certain Olympic events, B. looked up information about them online. If I want to find the answer without getting too much reading, the best way is to have a quick view of this and search for the keywords. If you want to find the keywords for the best answer, try to have attendance words or looking up online. As you can see here, we have this chart. We see popularity, so it means that people likes this. We have different kind of sports, and we have percentages, as you can see. If you read this, these two lines under it, so this is what we call a caption. The information in the bar chart shows the web page. So the word web page, total number of page views, so views of the page, online pages. So the answer here is, thank you, looked up the information online. So I search for the keywords and it will help me. Okay, now we have different types of sports here, but we're going to focus on a few of them. So let's have those pictures and try to guess. What can you see here? Yes, exactly, it's tennis. Is it the ordinary thing of tennis that we are supposed to have? Is it the same way? No, we have double players. So two players against two players. Is it the same as the vast tennis court? No, it is shorter than this. Or let's say smaller in size. Is it the same net? The same height of the net? No, it's not the same one. It's shorter actually. So what am I talking about here? Is it tennis? Is it table tennis? No, it's another sport and starts with B. Find it in the book? Thank you, it's badminton. Badminton. So the badminton is a sport which looks like tennis, but even the ball that they use in is a very light one. Thank you so much. Also, we have another one. Look at the guy here and how muscular he is. Yes, this should have great agility and hard work as well. What type of sport is this? It's an Olympic sport, and it's more popular for women than men. It starts with G. Thank you, it is gymnastics. Thank you so much. So badminton and gymnastics would be the most or the newest for all of us. We all know cycling, basketball, volleyball, and the others, the other parts of these. Now if you get to the question, here, which is very important for every one of you, it's page 73. And this is the thing that you need to focus on, everyone. Read the use of English box, then complete these sentences using the information. Which one are you going to use? More, most, less, least. You need to prepare this for the upcoming one. Now we need to represent the data from the table, and we put them in a bar chart and a frequency polygon. So we have this kind of bar chart. We're going to draw it together. We will also have the frequency polygon, and in those parts we're going to show you during the online session how we draw them. This is very important to use. Also, we have this language tip that is very important. We can have almost, hardly, almost no one, hardly anyone, almost everyone. So you can use almost and hardly, as you can see, with both of them, with these expressions. So for example, we're talking about no one, hardly anyone, almost everyone, and a few. Now we need to describe what happens in the bar chart, for example this one, using these expressions. If we say no one, for example, we can say almost no one likes basketball or served the net for boxing. And if you're talking about hardly anyone, so what do I mean by hardly? So you can find a few of them. Hardly anyone served the website for sailing. You may also use no one at all. So yes, no one served for boxing, for example. So the last one is a few number of people, and then you come back to the popularity chart, and so on. You do the same with the rest of sports. That was all for the first part of the lesson. Please get your homework done. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask your teacher. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.